Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ballecia and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I have a job opportunity here for you. This is not going to be a long video, so let's get right into it. The code for today is work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, as you know, it's tax season. January going into February, everyone starts preparing for taxes. And if you want to work as a tax professional, you have the opportunity to do so with Intuit. Okay, so they are hiring as it relates to that. If you should come to their website and scroll down, they have two positions that they're hiring for that I'm seeing right here. Is credentialed tax expert, and they're also hiring for tax associate. So you can definitely take advantage of that. If you are interested in either of them, you just go ahead and click on apply, and then it's a quick application. You put your name, email, contact information. You select whether or not you're a credentialed tax expert, or if you're a tax associate where you're not credentialed but you have paid tax experience for 2+ years of tax seasons, and you've prepared a minimum of 30 tax returns per session. Okay, all right, and then you just go ahead and fill that in. You go ahead and submit it, and of course someone will go ahead and follow up with you. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the link in my bio and go ahead and get your oil from LADDY to help with dry scalp eczema, dandruff, psoriasis, itchy flaky burning scalp. 25% off, ends January 24th. Go ahead and get it now. Now, if you're wondering as it relates to how much this pays, they didn't say it. However, I did a little quick search for you as it relates to Google. Salary.com is saying that a tax preparer can get up to $56,000 per year. ZipRecruiter says between $11 to $25 per hour. Indeed is saying $11 to $28 per hour. As you know, this varies by state, all right, your geographical location, and of course, how many taxes you are preparing. Especially if you're doing it as an agent, like independent agent, you can charge a flat fee. Like $250 or $300 per individual tax return. If you're doing business tax return, like for LLCs, corporations, and stuff like that, you can charge a bit more for that. Okay, however, if you're working with someone, okay, this is what they're gonna pay you. Well, this is the range, all right, or an example of what you'll be getting paid. Okay, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. All the best. God bless and peace.